Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about an exciting health supplement called Ikaria Juice. If you're looking to boost your energy, support your weight loss journey, and improve your overall health, this could be the solution for you. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know before making a purchase. Important alerts, detailed product benefits, ease of use, proven effectiveness, and at the end, a strong call to action. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about purchasing. It's essential to buy Ikaria Juice from the official website to avoid counterfeit products. You might find it on other platforms, but to ensure you're getting the real deal, stick to the official source. When you purchase through their website, you also get a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try the product risk-free. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of Ikaria Juice. This supplement is designed to support your health in multiple ways. Here are some of the key benefits. Boosts metabolism. Ikaria Juice contains natural ingredients that can help accelerate your metabolism, making it easier to burn calories and manage your weight. Enhances energy levels. Feeling sluggish? This juice is packed with nutrients that provide a natural energy boost, keeping you active and alert throughout the day. Supports detoxification. The blend of ingredients in Ikaria Juice promotes detoxification, helping your body eliminate toxins and impurities for better overall health. Improves digestion. Many users have reported improved digestion after incorporating this juice into their daily routine, thanks to its high fiber content. Using Ikaria Juice is super simple. Just mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or your favorite smoothie each day. It's convenient and can easily fit into your morning routine, plus the taste is delicious, making it a pleasure to consume. But does it really work? Absolutely. Ikaria Juice has received rave reviews from users who have experienced significant benefits. Many people report feeling more energetic and noticing improvements in their weight loss efforts after just a few weeks of use. The blend of natural ingredients is what makes it so effective. Are you ready to take charge of your health and try Ikaria Juice? If so, head to the link in the description below to visit the official Ikaria Juice website and grab your bottle today. Remember, purchasing through the official site ensures you get the authentic product and the added benefit of a 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't let fatigue or weight struggles hold you back any longer. Experience the benefits of Ikaria Juice for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health supplement reviews, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.